Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this issue quickly, and we will fix this issue together. You have to just follow my screen and that's it. So in the first step, right click on the start icon and select settings. So this is Windows 11 operating system. You can also this solution also applicable for Windows 10, so no problem. You have to click on these three dots, three lines, and select personalization. Once we are here, select colors and make sure you have to set the accent color as manual. This is very important. Select this and then close this window. You can also follow the pin command. This is very important. That will also fix this issue. So in the next method, again open settings. Now go to the accessibility, and from visual effects you have to turn off these all options like always show scroll bars, transparency effect, so and animation effects. So turn off all these three options and close this window. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You have to just restart the system, and please check out the pin command, and don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.